Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are fine. You are safe staying at home. Okay. Before introducing the topic, let me introduce myself to you. I am Nagarjuna Reddy Devi Reddy, teacher of English from TSWR COE, Bhongir. Okay. Let me start with my experience with my sister's children. While I was working at junior college in Miryalaguda, I had to go to my sister's house. There, after having lunch, my sister's children gave me some fruits. While giving some fruits, they used some words. I will tell you. Here you should observe, look at the board. Here, and bananas. Okay. A apple. Okay. A sun. Okay. They used these words. I did not understand at first, but I asked them not to. I told them not to use those words before these nouns. Okay. But they used like that. I asked them why they used like that. They told me that they have already known not to use those words, those yan, a, yan, before these words. But I was confused at that time. Okay. So I asked them, but they asked me how to use these words, these two words before these. Okay. I told them and clarified them. Today we are going to know a topic. The title of the topic is articles. Okay. The title of the topic is articles. Look at the slide. Here. Okay. Articles. What is an article? An article is a word that modifies a noun. Okay. An article is a word that modifies a noun. Actually, qualifies a noun is called an adjective. So, articles are basically demonstrative adjectives. Okay. They are used before a noun. They are used before a noun. So, here actually they are determinants too. So, here you observe this one types of article. There are two types of article, definite article and indefinite article. Okay. Before going to know about definite article, look at this slide. Indefinite article. Okay. To make you clarify what an article, I will show you indefinite article. The indefinite article tells us something is non-specific. Understand? So, here indefinite means not particular, not specific. What is a definite article? Definite article is a specific one. Okay, understand? So, particular one. So, here you observe the indefinite article. Okay. Here an example is there, a thief. Okay, a thief. Here how many thieves are there? Only one thief. Okay. So, here this is a thief. Okay. You look at the slide. Here a thief. This is any thief. We do not know exactly. He is not known to the writer or the readers. So, here it is an indefinite article. So, here you observe another slide. In this definite article, it is the is called as definite article. Here you observe the thief. Okay, the thief. The thief. here particularly mentioned, this is a specific thief. Understand? The writer and readers know about him. Understand? So here you should observe what are a and the. When do we use a and the? So here there are two types of article you have already known. Okay, first one is definite article and second one is indefinite article. Here a and are called indefinite articles, but the is called definite article. Okay, where do we use a, an and the? Here an and a used before singular, plural, countable and singular, countable nouns. So here you should observe in this slide, a or an is used with the singular, countable nouns. For example, look at the slide. Shiva gave me a book. Here which book? It is not particularly mentioned. So here any book. So here it is a singular one. Book is a singular noun. So before singular noun we use a. And another one, I gave him an apple. Here apple is there. Apple singular countable noun. So here before singular countable noun an is used. Okay. So here you look at another slide. Okay, the is used with singular, plural countable and uncountable nouns. Okay, so here for example, here you look at the example, the book which was given to me is interesting. Here the book, which book? Which was given to me by Shiva. Okay, so here it is a specific one. The is mentioned specifically, that is why it is a definite article. Understand? So here you should observe these. Look at the board, an and a. Are these correct? When do we use an and a? What is the difference in using a or an? Look at another slide. Okay, here you should observe a or an. Before using these two, you should focus on sound, not letter. Understand? So here you should focus on sound, not letter. Here you should observe this one. Here ta, T is there. T is which letter? Consonant letter. Have already known a, e, I, o, u. A, E, I, O, U. These are called vowels and the rest of are called consonants. Okay, have already known. Here before vowel sound we should use an. Look at the slide. Okay, here before vowel sound we should use an. Okay, and before consonant sound we should use a. Understand? So here you should observe this one. Here a is there, the letter a. Okay, it is pronounced as not apple, not apple, not apple, but here a, apple. So here we should use a is vowel sound. That is why we should use an before this word. Understand? So here you should look at the board. Here and bananas, it is the wrong one because bananas are plural one. So here we should not use a or an. So here it is a consonant one, ta. That is why we should use a before this word. Here it is a. Apple is pronounced as a. A is pronounced as a. A is vowel sound. That is why we should use before this word an. Understand? Okay. But here you should observe this one. Orange. this word begins with O, vowel sound. So here this vowel sound, before this we should use an, okay. But here you should observe 1 rupee note. Here this word begins with O, it is vowel letter, but here the sound is consonant sound. Sometimes the word begins with vowel letter but gives a consonant sound. Before these words we should use a, understand. And another one is there, here union. Here this word begins with U, consonant sound, but vowel letter but consonant sound. So that is why we use before this word a, understand. So here like that there are so many examples, but we should focus on another one. So here second rule is there. Look at the slide. When H is not silent we should use a, and when H is silent we should use an. So here you should observe, what is it? It is a word begins with H. So here H is not pronounced in this word, okay, it should be silent. That is why we should use an before this word, an or, not hover. So here you should, okay, you should look at this word. This word begins with H. So here it is pronounced horse. So here before this word we should use a, understand. If H is silent we should use before that word an, okay. If H is not silent in that word we should use a, understand. So here like that there are abbreviations. Look at the slide. With abbreviations begin with a, okay, a, E, F, not F, H, I, L, M, N, N, O, R, S, X. So here any abbreviation begins with these 12 letters and pronounced as individually, we should use before these abbreviations an, understand. So here for example we should take M, L, A, not mla, okay, it is pronounced individually. So M, L, A, okay. In the word this abbreviation begins with M, so it is pronounced as vowel sound, okay, understand. It is pronounced individually. That is why we should use before this abbreviation an, okay. So here we should look at another example, okay. SI, it is pronounced as individually, and it is pronounced individually and begins with S, okay, and vowel sound. That is why we should use before this word an, understand. So here another rule is there with acronyms, okay. Look at the slide. With acronyms, before acronyms means it is an abbreviation begins with these 12, even though they begin with these 12 letters and pronounced as individually, pronounced as not individually. So we should use before them a, understand. Look at the board. Here NATO, member, okay. Here we should use before this a because NATO, it is pronounced not individually, understand. So these abbreviations are called acronyms. So here before this word we should use a. Na is consonant sound, understand. Thank you. Next. Okay, should look at the next slide. Okay, where do we use a, or, an? Okay, what is the basic meaning of a or an? Here, the basic meaning of, look at the board, the basic meaning of a or an is one or any. Okay, so here Shiva, for example, Shiva gave me a book. Shiva gave me a book. Here, how many books are there? Only one book. So here I is used. Why? Here before consonant sound, by is consonant sound. So here we should use a before this word. Okay, and singular countable noun. That is why we should use before this word a. Which book? We do not mention, because any book. Okay, we do not know exactly. So that is why in the sense of one and any, we should use a, or, an. Okay, look at the slide. A or an is used before the names of professions and religions, trades, occupations, like that. So here, look at the board. Here, I am a teacher. I am a teacher. Here, you should observe. Okay, teacher is a profession. That is why we should use before this word indefinite article. But why do we use a before this word? Ta is consonant sound. That is why we should use a before this word. Okay, so here religion, a Christian. Okay, a Christian. So here it is religious thing, and it begins with ka. So okay, the sound ka. So here before this word we should use a consonant sound. Okay, next rule. Look at the slide. In the sense of every, at the rate of, in the ratio of. Okay, what does it mean? When, here, look at the board. Okay, I pay rent ₹5,000 dash month. Here ma is consonant sound. So that is why we should use before this a. Okay, why do we use a? Okay, this is consonant sound. Okay, a month means every month. Okay, not only 1 month, every month I pay rent. Here ₹8,000. Understand? So here I perform puja 2 times a day. A day means every day. Okay, not only 1 day. So here leave it, and look at the slide. To represent a class. Okay, so here to represent a class. Look at the board. A cow is a useful animal. Okay, so here cow is a useful animal. Okay, before this a is used. A cow is a useful animal. Okay, but here a cow means all cows. Okay, to represent a class. Understand? Okay, next another rule is there, but before going to know it, I will write an example. Okay, so here Arjun fails. Arjun fails. He is a Sachin. Okay, here with Sachin is a proper noun, but here it is used as common noun. Okay, that is why we should use a or an. Here sa is a consonant sound, that is why we should use here a. Understand? So here look at the slide with few and little in a positive sense. Okay, so here few, whenever we use, look at the board, whenever we use before few and little okay, it is a positive sense, it gives a positive sense. Okay, for example, I have a few friends, I have a few friends. Okay, I have a few friends, it means I have many friends, some friends, I have some friends, without using a. Okay, if I use I have few friends. Okay, I have few friends means not many. Understand? Okay, I have a little time. Okay, I have a little time, sometime. I have a little time, sometime. I have little time, not much. Understand? So here if we use a before these two words, it gives a positive sense. Understand? Okay, next another example is there for another rule. Here, what an idea, what an idea. Here it is an exclamation mark. So here it is an exclamatory sentence. Okay, so here in exclamatory sentence, before a singular countable noun, we should use a or an. Okay, here I is vowel sound, that is why we should use an. Okay, so here what a beautiful girl she is. Okay, what a beautiful girl. Here I is used before a singular countable noun and in exclamatory sentence. Understand? This is usage of a or an. Okay, so look at another slide. Okay, so here there are some examples. Pavan Kalyan is dash actor. Here an is used because a is vowel sound and singular countable noun. Okay, here a peacock is a colorful bird. A peacock means all peacocks, not only one peacock. Okay, pa is consonant sound. Okay, do you have an SBI card? SBI, it is pronounced individually, that is why we should use before this abbreviation an. Understand? Here SAARC country, sa consonant sound, but it is an abbreviation, but it is an acronym. So here I is used before this abbreviation. Understand? So here I need a 500 rupee note. Here any 500 rupee note and one 500 rupee note. That is why we should use a. Okay. So here look at another slide. Here usage of the. Okay. Look at another slide. Usage of the. Okay. With things or persons already referred to. So here I gave you an example. Shiva gave me a book. So here the book, okay, is interesting. Here already referred this book. So here it is particularly mentioned, the is used. Understand? So here next rule is there. You should look at the slide with a singular noun that represents the whole class. Here the dog is a faithful animal. Here the dog means all dogs. Okay. So here and another rule is there before unique things. Okay. Look at the board. What are unique things? If there is only one in the universe, we should use before that word the. Understand? what are unique things? Sun, moon, okay, sky, okay, earth. So before this we should use the, understand? And another rule is there, before the names of rivers, seas, oceans, okay, canals, gulfs, okay, deserts, we should use before the names of these things the, understand? For example, we take Nile, the Nile, okay, the Pacific, the Suez, the Mannar, the Sahara Desert, the Arabian Sea, okay. Here we have a doubt, when do we use the, when do we use the, okay, when we are talking in terms of pronunciation. So here the is used before consonant sound, understand? The is used before vowel sound, understand? So here look at another slide. Sometimes we should not use, sometimes we should not use any article, okay. What are the rules? Here you should look at the board. My favorite subject is mathematics, okay. Here maths is my favorite subject. Before maths we should not use any article, understand? So here the rule is before the branches of knowledge. Look at the slide, okay, before the branches of knowledge. Here before the names of games, substances means material nouns, days, months, seasons, diseases. Before these we should not use any article. For example, I play chess. Before chess I did not use any article. So here substances, for example, I have a gold chain. I have a gold chain. Before gold chain we should use a, but when we do not use chain, if we use gold is precious metal. Gold is a precious metal. So here we should not use any article before this word, understand? So here, and another rule is there, days, before, look at the slide, before the names of days, Sunday is a holiday. Before Sunday we should not use, okay, any article. Before the names of meals, unless specially qualified. For example, dinner is ready, lunch is ready. Before lunch, dinner we should not use any article, but if we use it specially, if we use it specially, we should use the article. For example, look at the board, lunch is ready, okay, but we should not use before this word. The lunch which I had at your house on that day is delicious. So it is specially qualified, that is why we should use the before this word. So here, and another rule is there, okay, we should use abstract and proper nouns, we should not use any article, understand? So here honesty is the best policy. India is my country. Before India, before honesty, we should not, I did not use any article, okay. Look at another slide, okay. My sister children gave you an assignment for you, okay. Look at the slide, this is an assignment for you. You should do it at your home and show it to your teachers in your school, okay. If you do it correctly, I get an ice cream from my sister's children, okay. If you want me to get an ice cream, you should fill up these blanks with suitable articles, understand? So here this is an article, understand? So here it is enough. Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity.